Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Our word for today is criminal. It's a B1 level adjective, and it means related to crime. So, what exactly does it mean for something to be criminal? Well, put simply, it means it's connected to illegal activities or actions that break the law. Think of it as anything that would get you in trouble with the police or the justice system. Now, let's explore some synonyms for criminal. One word that comes to mind is illegal. For example, you might say, it's illegal to park your car on the sidewalk. Another synonym is unlawful. We could say, the company was engaged in unlawful business practices. Yet another synonym is illicit. Consider the sentence, the police uncovered an illicit drug operation. And a final synonym could be felonious. For instance, he was charged with a felonious assault. You see, each of these words, illegal, unlawful, illicit, and felonious, shares the core meaning of being against the law, just like criminal. Now, let's look at some antonyms, words with opposite meanings. A direct antonym of criminal is lawful. A simple example is, driving with a valid license is completely lawful. Another antonym is legal. You might say, the sale of this product is legal in most countries. Another antonym is legitimate. Consider the sentence, he runs a legitimate business. And finally, we could use the word licit, which means permitted by law or custom. For example, the production of this product is licit. As you can see, words like lawful, legal, legitimate, and licit stand in stark contrast to criminal, highlighting actions that are permitted and acceptable under the law. Now, how can you use the word criminal in everyday life? Well, think about news stories. You might hear about a criminal investigation on the radio. Or imagine you're watching a detective show on TV. The detectives are likely trying to catch a criminal. You could also use it in everyday conversations. For example, stealing is a criminal act. Here are a few more usage examples. He has a criminal record. She was a victim of criminal negligence. The police are investigating a criminal conspiracy. That behavior is simply criminal. It's criminal how much they charge for parking here. The criminal justice system needs reform. Witnesses are often vital in criminal cases. There was criminal damage to the car. The lawyer specialized in criminal defense. The movie was about a notorious criminal. He became involved in criminal activity at a young age. She was sentenced for her criminal behavior. The police made an arrest of a suspected criminal. The evidence suggested criminal intent. So, to recap, criminal, a B1 level adjective, signifies something related to crime or illegal activities. We explored synonyms like illegal, unlawful, illicit, and felonious, and contrasted it with antonyms such as lawful, legal, legitimate, and licit. We also discussed how to use criminal in everyday conversations and common expressions. It's a versatile word that appears in various contexts, from news reports to casual discussions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word criminal informative and helpful. Now, before we wrap up, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing to the podcast and leaving a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and learn along with us. It really makes a difference. And don't forget to create your own sentence using the word criminal and share it as a comment under this video. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep expanding your vocabulary and keep saying Hello Word.